Thursday, December 7th. Going to America. Wednesday, December 6th was a crazy day. More on that to come later. Thursday, December 7th, going to America.
Why?
Hey, how are you?
We're in line for boarding. We'll probably
We're
let you
getting
go.
ready to board.
Are you really?
Yep. Get everything?
Supposed to snow all day long over there.
Well, my uncle has come home from Italy, and I had not seen him in 2 years, and I finally got to see him. I'm really happy. And here's my Nana's Christmas tree. That's cool. My hands are freezing. I'll eat some.
Those Carver's boots? Yeah, he outgrown them. Good girl. Hey. But all this snow.
Hello. We stole the vlog camera from Jake. We stole the vlog camera from Jake. We got the vlog camera. So this is my room tour, and I'm going to show you my room. It's pretty messy, so I'll be right back. I'm going to clean it up. I just finished cleaning my room, and I want to show you a tour of my room. Start off with my piano. It's not really it's a keyboard, but it's also a piano. I mean, made up my bed, and that's what it looks like. My most favorite thing in my room is this. Y'all may not know what this is, but put down in the comments below what you think it is. You may not know, but look down in the comments. I'll give you 10 seconds to go put what it is in the comments. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? All right. Now I'll tell you what it is. It is a guitar.
Just let me do my colors. Oh yeah, that's enough.
Look at those tied together.
Can't see you at all. Can't see you at all. Ready for a train ride, Bubba? Bubba,
Yeah.
ready for a train ride?
Yeah.
Hey, Carver, you ready for a train ride?
Yeah.
Pawpaw, you ready for a train ride? No.
Hey Drake, guess what? We're going to America!
It's actually appropriate. Ready for a train ride?
No.
No, smile.
It's something.
Charlie, you ready for a train ride?
Ready? I'm on the first.
Hey.
Look, there's a cricket.
Me when I wake up on Monday.
Look, Charlie. That scared me. Tarantula in there.
He's about to eat it, Carver. Let him have it. Let him have it. He won't hurt you. Just hold it out like this.
What?
Do these look similar to you?
I mean, they're both blue.
They're not even close.
What happened here?
Here's my toothbrush.
If either one of these is in my cup, I'm gonna use it.
It's blue. I
Not
said
even close.
they're exactly the same.
Hey, I got up at 5:30 this morning to go to work, and it's in my cup, so I'm gonna use it.
That's right.
Finally, wedding day. 7:59 a.m. Went to sleep at 2:30 a.m. Getting cameras and stuff ready. Everybody's doing their job. Mom's been sewing. Heather's been doing everything. And we're trying to help her, etc., etc. Check out Deb's sweet glasses.
They're on loan.
Those yours, Deb?
What are you doing? How are you feeling? Looking fly, Jake.
I took the vlog cam.
Jake, I'm vlogging.
Oh my goodness, I gotta edit all this.